सत श्री अकाल। भैरव महला पंजवा। अपने दास को कंठ लगावे। The dear Lord holds his disciples close to him, almost in an embrace. निंदक को अग्नि में पावे. He puts the slanderers, those who criticize them, those defaulters, and those that can harm his disciples into the fire, protecting his disciple. Papi te rakhe Narayan. The dear Lord keeps the sinners away from his disciples as well, protecting them day and night. Papi ki gat kathu nahi. Nothing can ever come out of sinning, so the sinner sees or has no future. Papi pachya aap kamayan. The sinner will reap what he has sowed. He will get the fruit of the actions that he has performed. Rahau. Das Ram jio lagi preet. If we, the dasi, if we, the disciples, can keep the name of the Lord and accept him within the heart with utmost affection and love, then nindak ki hoi bipreet, then the Lord, once he accepts us, does his job of protecting us, because he is our mother and father and he is our protector. And how does he do that? By keeping the slanderers and those defaulters and those people who can harm you at bay. He banishes them away from you. Pad Braham apna birad praktaya. And once you accept the Lord and there is nothing but true faith and love and affection in your heart for the Lord, he comes forward. Apna birad praktaya. So he shows you his secret. He comes forward. He shows you his colors and who he is. How does he show you? Tokhi apna kita paya. Those who sin, those who do bad things, they get the fruit of their actions. Ai na jai rahiya samai. Remember, the God does not come and go. If the Lord has accepted you, rather, if you have truly accepted the Lord, he is forever there with you. It's not that he comes and goes. And even if sometimes in life you feel that you are abandoned and you are in trouble or strife, it is for a reason. Remember that the God does not come and go. He is with you all the time. Rahiya Samai, he is in everything and with you. Nanak Das Har Ki Saranai. All the Das has to do is come and seek his sanctuary, and anyone who is in his sanctuary will be blessed and taken care of in a way that they are protected from the sinners and the slanderers, and they are always given peace and joy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.